Good morning, students. So welcome to your online mathematics class. So yesterday I've already sent the PDF and keep that PDF safe so that you can go through all the definition terms on important keynotes for complex numbers. So we already started with complex numbers. In the class I have finished questions from RS. So now we'll be solving questions from your Ncert. Alright. Okay students, so see question number 1 of your exercise 5.1. This is of your Ncert. Alright, from your Ncert. So first question is express the given complex number in the form a plus ib. So what do we do in this? Simply multiply students 5i into minus 3 by 5i. 5 and 5 cancel, so we are left with minus 3i into I will give me student I square, and we already know that I square is equal to minus 1, so I'm directly writing minus 1. So minus minus will become plus 3. So this is equal to 3 plus I0. Is it clear? So simple question student, nothing difficult, nothing complicated in this. Okay, so I'm proceeding to next question. So next question says express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. So now it is given I raised to the power 9, I raised to the power 9 plus I raised to the power 19 students. So we know I square is equal to minus 1. So I raised to the power 4 is equal to students I square into I square, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 1. So I raised to the power 4 is equal to 1. Right students? This means if we take multiples of 4, we will get the value of 1. So this is what we have done. I9 can be written as I4 into 2 plus 1. Okay. I4 into 2 plus 1, because 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So this is equal to what students? I raised to the power 4 square, right, into I. And similarly for I19 I can write 4 into 4 plus 3, right? This is plus I19. This is equal to 1 square plus I4 raised to the power 4 into I cube. So this is equal to what students? Here it is 1 plus, right, 1 into I cube. I can split as I square into minus I, right students? So this will be 1, I square is equal to minus 1, right? So minus minus will become plus 1. See here, can you see this students? I square is equal to minus 1, and this is I raised to the power 4, so this is already 1. Are you getting it students? Okay, I'll just write it so that it will be more clear to you. See this, I have split students. I cube I have split, so this will be now here I square is equal to minus 1, so I will be getting here students, multiply this minus I, right? And here it is 1 into I, so 1 into I is here, so I and minus I is equal to 0. So but we have to write in the form of a plus ib, so I can write this as 0 plus I0. Is it clear students? Nothing difficult. I have solved these type of questions in class. It is repetition, so do it properly and complete in between questions. So I'm moving to question number 9. See it carefully students. Express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. So this is 1 upon 3 plus 3i cube. So we already know students, a plus b whole cube, studied in class 8th. A plus b whole cube is what students? A cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. So that is what I have written here. A cube plus b cube plus thrice a b into a plus b. Can you see it very clearly students? Simple, nothing difficult. Now you have to just expand this. So 1 upon 3 students, 1 upon 27, right, plus 3i cube. So already told students I cube can be written as I square into minus I. Sorry, not minus I square into I. Okay, I square I cube can be written as I square into I. So I square is equal to what students? Minus 1. We know minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. So that is what minus I. And same thing, this 3 and 3 will be cancelled students. Say this 3 and 3 cancelled. Take this 3 inside and solve. Okay, so we will be getting 3i into 1 upon 3 plus 3i. So 1 upon 27 plus 27 into I plus 9i square. Okay, so expand this, 1 upon 27 minus 27i plus I minus 9, because I square is equal to students minus 1. You take this 3i inside and multiply students. this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, I will be left. So it is very basic, students, nothing difficult in this. 3i multiplied by 3i, students, is equal to 3 into 3 9, I twice I square, which is equal to 9 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 9. So that is what we have got this. Taking LCM and solving them, so real part we are collecting together, 1 upon 27 minus 9 minus 26i, right? So solving this, we are getting minus 242 upon 27 minus I26. Okay, so we know, students, any complex number is always in the form of a plus ib. So that is what now we have changed this in the form of a plus ib. I hope it is clear, students, nothing difficult. I'll solve one more question. In between questions you can complete from Ncert, students. Alright, now see this question number 10. Same thing, students, here. Now this is a plus ib minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 I cube. So see, one more thing, students, I can write this as minus, if I take common, so this will be 2, right, plus 1 upon 3 I. Okay, and I can put this brackets here. Let me change the brackets. I can put this brackets here, whole cube then. Okay, so this whole cube, right? So what do? You open by a plus b whole cube and the minus outside. So that is what has been done. Okay, so a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Are you following, students? Nothing difficult. And then expanding this, 2 cube is, students, 8, right? Then this will become I cube upon 27, right? 2i into 2 plus I upon 3, and this way it will continue. So I cube already told, students, is minus I square is equal to minus 1, you already know. So simple expansion, students, right? So I upon 27 plus 4i plus 2 upon 3i square. So 8 minus I upon 27 plus 4i minus 2 upon 3. So 22 upon 3 plus 107 upon I upon 27. So solve this, we are getting minus 22 by 3 minus I 107 upon 27. Okay, students, nothing difficult, easy questions. Okay, so complete this from your Ncert. So students, you have to repeat these questions in your fair registers and try to solve other questions. Okay, so study well and be good students.